Hello, I'm Kobe Dixon, and this is my Boston Hubway case study for Logistics 6654. Hubway is a bike sharing program for the Boston metropolitan area. Their objective is to encourage biking, reduce roadway congestion, reduce greenhouse gases, and promote health. They are currently serving the Boston, Cambridge, Brookline, and Somerville cities in the Boston metropolitan area. They've had exponential growth since their inception. While maintaining bike balance at docking stations is difficult, analysis shows that the supply is not keeping up with the demand. A new contract requires 85% compliance or they are fined. In 2011, Alta Bicycle Share was awarded operations of Hubway in conjunction with the Boston municipalities. Boston Metro supplies all the equipment, while Hubway provides operations and maintenance of the equipment. Docking stations and bikes have not kept up with the demand, and rebalancing docking stations is becoming a major issue. By 2014, forecasted growth is expected to reach 1,300,000. Hubway business model is a bike sharing program with multiple rental options. It appeals to tourists, students, and commuters located in highly populated areas with intentions of expanding further out. Hubway services provide free 30-minute rides, unlimited all day long, but overage of a 30-minute ride is an additional charge. And Hubway rebalancers strive to provide bikes at all docking stations at all times of the day. And their stations are restocked every 23 minutes. Hubway's strategy is to provide an equilibrium of bikes every 23 minutes, while partnering with universities and corporate offices for sponsorship and grants. To provide more bikes and docking stations in higher traffic areas, and they also strive to maintain an 85% availability throughout the day. In our analysis, we based all our findings on 2013 data, which shows operations are short 21 bicycles. This overage does not equal the underage, so forecasted increases will only increase bike shortages. And there's no possible way to maintain the demanded 85% availability for the 2014 contract. This is just an example of the AM peak and the PM peak of all the trip volumes. In conclusion, the 2013 bike shortage will only grow worse with higher demand. They need to develop additional rebalancing options that coincide with the original plan, and they need to invest in better software for tracking and monitoring. Also, Hubway needs to grow with the demand. Thank you.